Fisting.
Ew, what?
This is what happens when you fist a refrigerator.
Maybe punch?
Or, don't matter. Fisting a refrigerator. My hand is not normally like this. I take my ring off my finger in order to keep it from having to get surgically taken off. So I don't know how long my hand was going to be swollen for. It's been 3 or 4 days. See, there's that hand. See the normal hand. See the difference? No fisting. Fisting. Oh boy. It's just bruised. That's all. It's just bruised. It's not broken, but it is bruised, swollen. It hurts in the wrist. But, yeah. My hand is movable. It's very movable. Just lifting up is kind of hard, but nothing's broken. It's just swollen. Goodbye. I don't know why I have multiple videos of me being injured on this video, and it's supposed to be for Topanga.